Today we're going to demonstrate the display on our small line equipment. When you turn the key to the run position, you'll get our Somero splash screen, which shows two versions of software. Those should be matching. The next screen is going to be our lock screen, telling you that you need to press the operator's present switch. Once you've pressed that, you'll come to our grade control screen. This is typically the screen that you will be screeding from. The next screen will be our diagnostic screen, and to get to it, I use the fourth soft key, which is the right arrow. On this screen, if you're having an issue with the machine, you'll typically find it here. Our next screen is our settings screen. This is typically what you're going to be on when you're setting up the machine, whether it be your quick pass settings, Screed, or grade control. Following that screen will bring us back to our grade control screen, and we will then use our first and fourth soft key to get into our hidden tuning menu. This is typically what you'll go into to do auto calibration, SLS, or SLS null. And that's all the screens on our S940 or small line machine.